All right. Get it lined up, people.
I am gonna get it all full of grease.
Almost.
This is the right one.
Yep, that is the right one. It only goes one direction.
Too tight,
You gotta have them all loose, get them all through, and then draw them in. Grant, how's the passenger side coming?
So the only problem that you're gonna have is
Getting that lined up.
because your rubber's gonna go through, so you have to make sure that you're clear here with these nuts. 'Cause if not, you're gonna be rubbing on that, and it's not gonna go over. So see how he's only on what, number 2 now?
I think it's number 2 on though.
This is some shit. I know, it takes forever.
Oh, this is right that way. Okay.
I'll tell you what, Ford was onto something with this hardware.
And you might have to fight it in because it does take a little bit.
This is normal?
Yeah, they're not as straightforward as you would think.
Oh.
And whoever changed them before definitely didn't do nicely on that hole. And then we get to put bushings in.
Well, you guys had to drill all these out, didn't you?
No, that was the upper.
Oh, that was the uppers.
The factory ones were riveted down here too, but somebody replaced them already once.
Putting your boot on already?
Yeah.
You have all 3 in?
Well, just loose.
Yeah, you can get this one.
And the boot, the spindle
You're
will
gonna
help.
hate how
The
this
spindle
rides.
will help the boot
You're
get
gonna
on.
be like,
As long as you're lined up and you're not gonna tear it, you're good.
Yeah, once you get those in, let's tighten up. Let's worry about tightening up the ball joint first,
Get a grip on it.
getting it all in, and then the boot you can even worry about when we get ready to slip it on
all right,
at the very end.
You're pretty good.
Yeah, so go ahead and tighten up.
what size is that?
Should be half.
Easy.
This is crooked. This bolt.
It'll draw in once you get them all tight.
Even though it's
it'll draw
crooked?
in.
Really? I don't like that it's crooked. Doesn't matter, it's crooked.
Once you get it to draw, it'll draw. It'll pull itself in. There we go.
Yeah, see, this one's the same.
Yeah,
See?
and the bolt, it'll bolt
Oh, I
it. So
see,
once you
yeah.
hold it in tight, it'll be fine.
You know what is the lock wash just sticks up, so.
The deuce.
And then we'll press in the bushings.
QC over here.
Quality control. He's on it.
QC, I'm watching.
All 4 of those eyes?
Well, 1.5 on a good day.
Yeah. See, we're good.
Even with the glasses.
We're fine.
We're fine.
Great.
Peter's got it.
It's, you know what it is, it's the wash that sticks out.
Peter's enjoying learning how to do
I learned a lot.
his own stuff.
Is it not grabbing at all?
Well, it's the wash, you know, the washer that sticks out.
Will it help if I help
You gotta
this for
bring
you?
the, you gotta put something on the bolt. Push it up.
Yeah.
Now once you guys get those all tight, we will get the bushings.
Can I turn this out a little bit?
Ooh, the bushings. You might be able to, Peter.
Okay.
What do you say, you lefty loopy?